Right guys, exciting day today. I'm going to be installing a bucket seat on my E92. I've got the seat here, second-hand eBay job, in really good nick considering it's second-hand. Got the side mounts, Nisuba, and same again for the subframe to mount it to the car. Let's get at it. Right, that's it. Bucket seats in, absolutely over the moon with it. I think it looks absolutely amazing. Sad news is though, my welded diff went yesterday, so I won't be actually driving the car though. I've got the seat in. We're picking up a new diff tomorrow and we'll get that in. That'll probably be the next video. If you like this video, then give me a like, comment down the bottom, and also give me a follow if you're not following me already. Thanks guys.